Earlier on News 8, we shared what our health departments are saying about moving to the next phase of the vaccine rollout and the reality that the supply is not going to be able to keep up with demand because of how distribution works from the state. For Trinity Health, that logistical coordination stretches across nearly 24 states in the country where they have facilities. I spoke to the chief medical officer today for some insight on what that process is like.
The country has not embarked on a mass pandemic vaccination plan in any of our lifetimes. So I think, there's a lot of interesting logistics issues that have raised their heads, but I think we're very excited that it started and we're part of it.
And with your coordination in other states, are you finding that the state approach differs a little bit depending on the area, depending on the weather? Obviously, Michigan looks a lot different than, say, Florida right now, or anything else that you're noticing as this process continues?
The rollout has been very different by state. Some states we have within Trinity gotten a mix of vaccines, some Pfizer, some Moderna. Some states we only got Moderna. All of us are focused on really how to get shots in arms as quickly as possible to end this. But it has been very different state to state, even within the approach to 1A.
Are there any areas for improvement that you've identified that you think might help this process, regardless of which state someone lives in right now?
Well, I think everybody, I believe, is working on the registration process and how to get people registered with appointment times so we don't have the unfortunate situation of people waiting in long lines, which is really not good from a physical distancing standpoint unless you're able to do a drive-through. I think there's a lot of things that will improve over time. We within Trinity are quickly ramping up. Started relatively slow, but we're ramping up every single day, and lots of these logistical challenges. But I would say we're getting better every day, and we're very excited to be moving it forward.